Hello, I'm Bashar Zapen, the creator and designer of ImPulse, a new paradigm for pediatric heart surgery training. At the moment, the only way to become a heart surgeon is to practice on actual patients. This exposes patients to unnecessary risk and reduces the chances for trainees to practice and develop their surgical skills. For that, I present Janan. Janan is a simulation training model that allows trainees to practice heart surgery from A to Z. So from opening the chest, connecting the heart to an external heart-lung machine, to correcting the deformity and then closing everything again. The heart models are based on CT and MRI scans for maximum fidelity, which I later modified in collaboration with cardiac surgeons to become 3D printable and represent the 4 major congenital heart diseases. At the moment, I have created a prototype model of Janan containing all of the internal models necessary for simulation training. The models can be easily replaced and assembled, and the different heart models allow trainees to practice various procedures. And of course, all of the models are 3D printed to be affordable and accessible to everyone. The project came from an impulse to act, as parts of my home country has the highest prevalence of congenital heart diseases, yet no pediatric surgeons available. Consequently, all of the patients are either treated through medical missions or through sending the patients abroad for treatment. Unfortunately, 30 to 40% of all patients never get the treatment necessary to survive. Once ImPulse is established, I would like to provide complete simulation training models in the form of Janan, replacements for the internal models, and custom models based on novel and unique patient cases, all of which will be available at healthcare and education institutions. Going forward, I would like to finalize the research and development of the heart fabrication process, test Janan in a clinical environment against traditional training methods, and of course build the training programs incorporating the ImPulse system. So far, I'm the only one working on the project. I'm Bashar Zapen, an industrial medical designer and a design researcher. That was my ImPulse, a new paradigm for pediatric heart surgery training. Thank you, and check my website for more information.